those people pretending to be birds? Why would they? Often there is some kind of pulse. I just want to know at least if it is on purpose. I should go check if my cats are still alive. If I am thinking about putting away clean laundry while putting away clean laundry, it feels okay, but I started to sing and it made me anxious because I thought that if I was singing, I should be singing about putting away clean laundry, but I was not. I was thinking that I am not usually thinking about what I am doing right now. I am in a closet trying to remember why I should not be anxious. But I'm not worried now, because I believe there are places where no one would say, for example, boys will be boys, because there is no need to.